Try.
Okay?
Back has killed me.
He's coming.
Push. Hey. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, back has killed me.
Push. It's coming. It's coming. Push. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Push. And try again. Try more. Push. Baby's coming. Your baby's coming. Push. For the last time. Just push. You can. Don't say you can't. Push. The baby is almost out. Your baby's out.
Try and drink so that you can forget all this. Eh?
Hey, look, I should drink under this condition. Can't you see I'm tensed? Eh? How can I drink?
You don't need to be tensed up, Baka. She will come through. Take a drink. Like Naji said, she will come through. So cheer up. Take something. Cheer up. It's very sweet. The drink is a good one. Very sweet. Don't worry. Just take a sip.
Push.
I've been pushing. Try, okay?
No, don't say that. The baby is coming. Look at your baby. For the last time.
Try, okay? Sorry for me.
Your baby is coming. Push. For the last time. Just push.
I can't.
Push. You can. Push.
Everything is all right.
Man, why are you making it seem like it's all my fault?
So whose fault? My fault? Huh? No, is it my fault? Huh? I've played my part by getting you pregnant. The question is, why is it that the keeper is refusing to keep safe that is kept under our custody? Why?
It is not my fault. I have proven to be a woman by giving you a son who is all grown up now.
Eberechi, that is not enough. It is not. Ah! Look, I'm getting weaker and weaker by the day. My friends, my kinsmen, they ridicule me. In fact, in any gathering, I cannot even say anything meaningful because they feel I'm not man enough. Ah!
Man, you know, we just have to keep praying. Praying and working on it, believing that God will answer us.
I'm tired of this trying and praying. I'm tired! At this your age, we should still continue to try. No way. I'm tired!
Man.
think 3K if you do for me now? What can 3,000 naira do for babe like
My
me?
sister, you need to look for something else to do.
Young lady, can I talk to you, please?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm here.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama. Can I talk to you in private? Thank you. You look so beautiful from afar, and even more beautiful at a closer range. So, what's your name?
Ulako.
Ulako. Ulako. What a beautiful name. A godly name. Do you live in this village?
Yes, sir. Why all these questions?
I just want to know you.
I'm tired. I'm just coming back from where I went to dance.
You see, I saw you dancing so well. And I waited just to talk to you. Can I know where you live?
No.
You are the sweetest girl I've ever seen on this planet Earth.
Are you serious?
More than serious.
Tell me, have I passed your interview?
You more than passed it. Look, for real. You are the next Tiwa Savage.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
What am I even saying? You are the next Nigerian Beyonce.
Oh, tell me you're joking.
Oh, look at that nose with that piercing right there. You look like Shaisha. In fact, you're bigger than her.
Wow, I can't wait to be the next superstar.
It looks like you don't know who you're chilling with. I'm the lyrical grandmaster.
Wow.
My flow can cause disaster. I cannot wait to make you a star faster. You know what? Take a chill pill. Like Slicer. Let me bust your bubbles right now. I'm about to call the biggest producer ever. Mastercraft.
Wow.
Take a chill pill. Oh, yo, what's up, Mastercraft? I'm good, boy. Not really. I just want to still, help a little girl's career. And let's just produce one track for her. Yeah, I think she's good. She's good. Okay, that means we have to get Jennifer Lopez on the track then. Let's feature her. It's alright, bro. Okay, later.
What did he say?
Actually, I love your zeal, so it's a done deal.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Come closer, let me show you this top I made of.
That's what's up.
Oh.
Just slice it. Slice it. Very soon now you're gonna see.
None.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
I'll be calling you.
Well, you see, I've been very busy. Life of a musical producer and a director. Like last week, I just finished a video with Wizkid. So I went to Tanzania, Zanzibar.
Okay, Tanzania. Maybe tomorrow we'll be in Morocco, right?
Oh, you already know. You already know that. It's not easy.
Man, my stuff, man. Where's my stuff?
Oh, your stuff. Don't worry about it. Slice it. It's right inside.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be waiting for you.
Oh, very good. So you have your demo, right? Good boy. Okay, let me see my girl off. I'll be right back. The money.
Yes, now my money. Not the money, my money.
Okay. Like I should go inside.
No, go outside. You said my money is inside your room. So go and get it and let me live here.
My brother, see, I won't lie to you. There is no money inside. If you bend the house upside down now, you won't see any money.
Nambi. You want to use me play, Abi? Wait, I give you my money with my church mind. Now, so you don't enter, Abi?
No, there's no.
You know what I use my money play? I better go inside there. Go give my money. I come out. I don't fish out.
Bro, please just take a chill pill. I'll give you that money, but I don't have it now. Just give me one more time.
One more time.
Yes.
I want you to talk since one more time. You know game Abi? Answer me. You know game Abi? Or you carry woman up and down?
No, it's just I just want to help her career. It's more like give her necessary.
You never help your career finish. One day help her career, Abi. You know, sir, I know your handout. You know, sir, I know your hangouts, Abi. You know that one quite alright. I'll give you 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I don't see my money. I'll change them for you.
No, two weeks is even too much.
I'll go change them for you for this time.
2 weeks is too much, bro. Just 1 week, I'll give you your money.
No, 2 weeks. If my money is not ready,
that's what I'll give you. Just take a chill, people.
If my money is not ready,
let me call Jay-Z. Hello? Yeah, Lopez. Yeah.
where is the man that I saw you with just now? He just stepped out.
Oh, he thinks he's smart. Let him go and come back. He must pay me my money today. Stupid and foolish boy.
Landlord, you have to sort it out with him. Let me go and rest my hands.
When you came to our house, I hope there's no problem.
There can't be any problem with Obaka. Eh? You should know by now.
You see, Ubaka is a man of peace, love, caring, understanding. They know me in the community. See, I actually came for an inquiry.
Inquiries? What inquiries?
As I was going to the market this morning, I saw a beautiful young woman coming from this house. And is that your sister?
You mean Ulaku?
That could be her name.
Yes, she's my younger sister.
That's good. And is she married?
No, she's not.
Thank God. Hi.
Why? Why are you thanking God?
The truth of the matter is that I'm interested in her.
Interested in her in terms of marriage?
Oh yes, I would like to marry her.
Mazi, you want to marry my own younger sister?
Mm-hmm.
But now you are married and my sister is too young for you.
Young? Too young you say? No now. See, when it comes to the issue of marriage, age is not an issue. Particularly when the girl in question is ripe enough for marriage. What is important in marriage is love. The most important one, love. Care, understanding, another thing, money. And you know when it comes to money, Ubaka. So don't worry, I'm up to the task.
Well, Nai, at this point, I don't know what to say. Yes, the decision is hers to make. Honestly, I don't know what to say.
I know the decision is hers, but you also have a role to play. When she comes, just talk to her. Make her see reason why she should marry Obaka. I can guarantee you won't regret it. Biko, no?
Sister, I don't understand what you were saying. How can a man I don't know walk into this compound asking for my hand in marriage? Is the man okay?
He is the most successful and wealthiest farmer in this village.
I don't care if he's the ego of this village. Something must be wrong with him. I mean, I don't even know this particular man.
Oh, he seems to know you.
Come on, sister. I'm a dancer. A popular one at that, so everybody should know me. My point is, the next time he comes here, please warn him never to step his foot into this compound again. Warn him.
Well, I wasn't expecting less from you. I mean, considering the age difference.
Wait. That means it was an old man that came here. Okay.
I still think you should give it a thought, though. What is it now? You and...
Oh!
What? I am your elder sister, madam.
And I'm your kid sister.
You and Granot.
One name.
Mazi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wait for me.
Mazi, you don't have to do all this.
I'm not complaining. After all, I have more than enough to go around the whole community. Oh yes. So, you just manage this. Wait.
Hey, whoa. You're not coming. Mazi, what if she doesn't accept you?
There's no problem. No problem. Like I said, I have more than enough. Eh? Let me boot check. I have more. I still have more. Eh? You and your sister, just manage this. There are more. Eh? How are you?
Mazi, don't worry. I am sure she's very tired.
Yes, I can understand.
Thank you.
I can understand. So, just manage that, yeah?
No problem.
More are coming. I promise you.
Oh, man.
Eh?
Oh, hey.
I don't know the business you have with my sister, and I really do not care. But I am here to tell you to take me off that business. If you are coming for my sister, no problem. You are very welcome. But take your eyes off me. I didn't lay Maya for a very long time. Take your eyes off me. Take your eyes off me. Mazi, take your eyes off me. You know go? Old fool. You know, sorry, man.
I understand your anger. He is way too old for you. I know.
Not just old. You know I want to pursue my singing and dancing career. Are you such an old man who will kill my dreams? No.
For you to make it in music industry today, you need money. Most of the artists out there have husbands. That did not prevent them from pursuing their careers. In other words, Obaka is rich. He is successful. He has everything you want. He can even take you wherever you want to be in this life. My sister, you are my only sister and I cannot deceive you.
What about love? Does that not mean anything to you?
Love, it does, oh. It does. But love can be nurtured. It can be nurtured. It only takes time and commitment.
Hey, you mean you've agreed to marry me? Hey, Ubaka. My beautiful damsel. Hi. You've made it. Ubaka has made it.
There are several conditions attached to that.
Name them. I will do anything. Just name them.
Firstly, you must not snore. Because all karamama na mosquito na may meeting nantim than for you to be snoring, disturbing me at night.
Snoring? You don't have any problem. I don't snore. Any other thing?
Secondly, you must not disturb me every night. It's not the one you will go out now and drink. After, you have a fresh girl now. Fresh young girl. So, in your mind now, you go out, you overdrink. To come back home and, because you have a fresh girl. Don't disturb me every night. No, I don't like that at all. I don't like it. It irritates me.
Okay. Okay. Is that all?
It's not all. Lastly, and most importantly, you must promise to support my singing and dancing career.
You don't have any problem. I will do it for you. Now tell me, is there any other thing you need? Ubaka has money. Just name it, I'll do it for you. Any other thing?
That will be all for now. If I remember more, I'll let you know.
Good. Don't worry. Anything, if I to start with, let us go. Let's go and celebrate it. Anything you want, I'll buy for you. Just name it. Shall we?
We shall not.
It's okay. No problem. Let me go and make all necessary arrangements for the marriage. I invited you here to pass a very vital information to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, Nani, what is it?
I have made up my mind to marry a second wife. And now, look, I don't want you to fight me on this. Enugo? Because my mind is already made up and there is nothing you will do or say that will stop me from carrying out this action.
Hey, I have heard you. It's okay now. You said you don't want me to argue with you. I will not argue with you. You've made up your mind to marry another wife, no problem. But I hope this wife is not coming to take my position as the first wife. If that is not the case, then I'm so bad.
Chire, you mean you are not angry with me?
Bao, why should I be angry with you? You've already made up your mind you will marry Oberia, and nothing can stop you. After all, you're bringing her in to give you what I could not give to you. Oberia, mafuzin kita. Nelin se chupi amamu ambu madu manama melinya bonse. Mbano. Nam, you have my blessing.
Really?
Biko, if there's nothing else to say, I was busy at the backyard when you called me. Let me go back to what I was doing.
You can go, I'm done.
So what do
Hey! Hey! Hola, hola.
A bit rich. No, sir. This is Olaako, the woman I told you about. I've just completed her marital rites and I've decided to bring her home. So from now on, she's going to live in this house. And I will require you to treat her rightly. Okay?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Olaako. Yeah, let's go inside. Are you sure you're comfortable with this?
What do you want me to say or do? Your father has made up his mind and I can't stop him. Besides, the deed is already done.
Ma, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Okay?
The most important thing is that I have you.
Nemo.
Because Nekamo. Hey. Our wife, our new wife. I brought this food for you. Hey. Yes. It's my own way of saying welcome to our home. Eh? Because accept us for what we are. Because if there's anything we do you do not like, you tell us, we'll change. That we don't like, we'll let you know. Just accept us. Well, I think he's a fine.
Thank you, darling. I really appreciate this. Maybe I can say you thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless.
Bless you all. Hey.
Nyarala, pretentious woman. I need to make her from Nanya, see if she loves me. I know you don't love me. 2 wives can never live peacefully. Each of you want to poison me. Too early like this, you won't find girl like me. That's how much they can really have. Nonsense. You are welcome. We will live in peace and harmony. Nonsense.
Well, Mazi, thank you very much. Mazi, I came for 2 things. Yes. One, as you are aware, I'm having a building project which is going on. And the second one is about your son.
You meet Chinoso?
Of course.
What is it about him?
I learned he came out in flying colors in his secondary school leaving certificate examination.
Oh yes, oh yes. That boy made me proud.
You know he has a brain.
Well, a lion cannot give birth to a goat.
Of course, of course, of course. Well, Mazi, yes. I want your son to join me to run my business in Onitsha, you know. And within the next 3 years, he'll be a master of his own.
Really?
Of course.
Well, it's a beautiful idea. I like it. But I don't know how he will take it, whether he will like it or not. Because all this while, he's been telling me he wants to be a lawyer.
Exactly. You are to the point. But I will favor him whatever he wants to become in life. And equally, we see him through his school education if what he wants as settlement.
You mean you want to do that for him?
Of course. We're not blood brothers. He's not my cousin.
Hey, that is great. Let me call him.
Please do.
Chinoso! Chinoso Wam! Hey, you're welcome.
My son. Very soon you'll be going to the city with Jude. See, I am only letting you go because I know I brought you up to be a good child. I've taught you to know the difference between what is good and bad, what is right and what is wrong. And I've taught you to always do what is right. So when you get to Onitsha, I expect you to always do what is right. Please, be an obedient child. Be humble. Do whatever you're asked to do. Do not lie. Do not take what does not belong to you. Do not complain. Just work hard and everything will work out for you. Eh? Be a good child and please do not bring embarrassment to this family.
Okay, Mama. See, I will never disappoint you. Never. I know what you've done for me and how much you love me. Mama, so the only way to pay you back is to make you happy and make you proud of me. Proud of your son.
No. I trust you. You will go in peace.
Amen.
Enemies will not see you.
Amen.
You will make us proud.
Oh, amen.
The good Lord would widen your horizon.
Amen.
Everything you touch shall be fruitful.
Amen.
And you will come back victorious.
Amen.
Mercy.
Jude. Thank you very much. Thank you. My son. Always remember where you came from. Elugo?
I will.
Jude, you could take care of my son. Biko.
I promise.
You remember all that I taught you?
I remember.
Aye.
Danga.
Shall we? You are vomiting. Are you sick?
Yes.
Hey! Okay, let me take you to the health center.
No, not that kind of sickness.
What is it?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? You mean it? Oh, Dara! Oh, Dara! Oh, Dara! Oh, Dara!
What's
You don't know what you've done. You've just proven that I'm a real man. See, what do you want to eat? I want to prepare a very delicious food for you. Oh, Dara, thank you for this miracle you've performed in my life. Hey, look, now you are not going to do anything again. I'm going to carry you to the house. You will rest. Then I'm going to prepare something nice for you. Okay, just put your head on my back. Let's go. Put it. Hey. Oh, Dara. Oh, Dara. Oh, Dara. Oh, you are eating something. Good. See, I'm going to prepare nsala for you with goat meat. And you will press it down with pounded yam. You will like it. My baby. See, just relax, I'm coming. Oh, Dara.
Are all men like this?
Udara.
No, now I'm supposed to be the one serving you.
Look, from now on, I'll be the one serving you. Wash your hand.
No, I insist. Somehow now.
No. Bring your hand. Look, you are not going to do anything again in this house. I'll do everything. Udara. Do you like it? Okay, now.
Who brought you how to cook?
It's my mother. You know, when my mother taught me how to cook, there was no Maggi or any of those Oyibo condiments. I'm happy you like it.
Yes.
So now, I'm going to feed you.
No.
Come
You're
on.
going to make me feel like a child.
From now till you give birth, I'm going to treat you like an egg. You are not going to touch anything in this house. In fact, as soon as we finish eating, I'm going to go and fetch water, bathe you thoroughly, and you go and rest, you go and sleep. I'll do everything. This one, no. I don't want my baby to eat anything. Let me give you that one. Let me give you meat. Which one do you want? This one. Is it this one? Okay. But this is big. Okay. You like it? Okay. I'm going to test it. This is why I love you. I'm so happy.
Olaku! Yes? Come here. Who used the water in this bucket?
Oh, I did.
You did?
Was that why you were shouting my name?
And you did not think you should fill it back?
I was tired. You know I'm pregnant.
Are you okay? Eh? Nsege, are you okay?
What kind of question is that? Okay.
Something is definitely wrong with you, else you would not be talking to me like that.
Chereo, are you in any way mad?
Oh, I thank God you know. You have said it yourself that you're mad. You're obviously mad. Let me tell you something. A well-brought-up child should never touch what does not belong to her.
Chire. What did you just say now?
Exactly. You always concur because you know what is in you.
Ebere, it's too early. All the very early. All the very early. Are you jealous of me?
Of what?
I'm pregnant now. Oh, okay.
You will not be the first to get pregnant. Pregnancy ana kamuramu. Onyo my fib. Next time, don't you ever insult me.
Chire, and I want them. You are warning me. What I'm going to do another one.
Udara, okay. Why are you crying? What happened? Talk to me. Why are you crying? Eh? You know you are pregnant. If you continue to cry like this, too much cry will make the baby cry too, and you know it's not good for his health.
So it's all that matters to you. The child said, not even me. Okay?
You know that's not true now. You know I love you so much. I love you. Talk to me, Biko. What now? What happened?
Is she not your wife? Is your wife now?
My wife?
Yes, Ebere.
You mean Eberechi? What did she do to you?
Simio, I came out. So I'm getting there. For pocket of water, million on email. Ogi, you know now how you normally do. So Jenny knows I'm the Miri before going to the market. I decided to use the water to have my bath. I'm around now, okay. Next time she came out, I started calling Ula, shouting my name. I came out politely, Next thing, started shouting, started insulting me, and even made fun of my pregnancy.
What? You mean she made fun of your pregnancy? No. You mean she made fun of my pregnancy?
Yes.
What impetus?
Yes,
Eberaji! Where are you? Come out here, Eberaji!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? Get it for?
Why did you insult my wife?
Oh, because now you insult which wife? Me insult your wife? Or your wife insulted me? No, because calm down now. Your fairness before you start accusing me of nonsense.
Eh? So because she used a bucket of water to have her bath. That is why you decided to rain all the causes and abuses of this one on her. Yes, I can see. I can see that you've been pretending all this while. You've been pretending as if you are happy that I'm married to her and she's pregnant from me. Not knowing that you are very wicked.
Nah, Biko, calm down there. Cool, get it down. No, okay, now go. Listen. I was glad. I am still glad that your wife is pregnant for you. But let me tell you, I will not sit in my husband's house and let one small untrained child insult me. This won't be the first time, second time, nor the third time. You better not be nonsense. And if she tries it again, then I'll beat her like a child.
Is she not a wife like yourself? Is she not my wife? Even the water you are talking about, is it not my water at the bucket? Including yourself. You all belong to me. Now, just pray to your God that nothing happens to her or my baby. If not, you will see fire.
No, you didn't.
You will see fire in this compound.
Would you be the first to get fire? Okay, Panwafia. You are Panwafia. In a decante. Okay, do. I want you to neko. In a nunya, not a rubbish. You know, baby, bad mad. Or someone with Fene. Nezani Fico, no matter name. Nezani, Nefena so in Aya. Nezian ndi dime. Akụkọ na egwu. Boss, I will beat you. I will beat you like a child. It's not so much chaputi like. Very careful you then come muna nke toka libie. Omo anu ofia. Okay then we ru. Ina asoko nja no na wan. Mana onya lo nyam na aka na anya menwa dia. O watam poloko okwa. I can come here come we ya tibu eke malo na nwunya ke no. Nonsense. You know, ever since you married your new wife, you have not bothered to, you've not bothered to come to me.
Hey. Now I understand why you came to apologize.
No, that's not why I came to apologize, honestly. Yes, but you have to understand that I am also your wife.
Let me tell you. We've been doing this thing for decades. And nothing is coming out of it.
Nani, why are you saying this? Why are you trying to make me feel worthless? We've been doing it for decades and nothing has come out of it. That's an unfair thing to say.
Look, let's call a spade a spade. Eh? We've been doing this thing for immeasurable times. And nothing is coming out of it. And why do we have to waste our time? We keep trying for something that is fruitless.
We have a son to show for it.
A son? I need more sons. Yes. I'm getting weaker by the day. So the small energy I have, I want to keep it and use it for a young person who is capable of giving me as many sons as I want. I'm not spent oil like you. Please, excuse me.
Now spent and now a thing.
Please, tell me something more. Look down. You know you're very beautiful.
I know.
My baby. Take this. Okay, show me that your dance step. You know this Indian style of this? Look, my title said I can give it to you.
Really?
Yes. How did he fit you? That's so beautiful.
Thank you.
So beautiful. Oh yeah, there's your dance steps. There's your dance steps. Hey! Don't. Okay, come and give me that. Come and give me that. That's it. That's it. Udaram, why? Why do you have to go dancing at the marketplace under this condition? Do you want to injure the baby?
Back. Why are you so selfish? Eh? So I should stop doing what I love doing because I'm pregnant? Did you not promise me that you will not stop me from singing and dancing?
Oh yes, I promised.
So what is happening now?
But all I'm saying is that there is time for everything. We have to take these things one step at a time. Why the rush?
It has been confirmed. I confirm you now. Nibo is selfish, man. You're selfish.
Me?
Yes, you're very selfish. All you care about is this pregnancy. You do not love or care about me in any way. You'd have told me why you married me now. That time I was holding you, telling me, yes, I promise. What are you doing now? Making me shame.
That is not true. I love you, but I also love my child. Hey.
What's up, pretty angel? What's good? You see...
Of course, no again.
You say what?
Nothing.
Oh, girl, come on. You take a chill pill, you know? You see, when I look at you, look at the eyes. I see Nicki Minaj in you, baby girl. I see Tiwa Savage in you. All right. I see Tenny McConaughey. Just that you got no durags on, but you still look... You look beautiful, by the way.
Are you sure you can see very well?
Of course, I can see very well, baby girl. Oh, sorry. I see Neola in you. Oh yeah, I can see that now. Look at that eyes. Baby girl, I see a whole lot in you.
No, I don't think you can see clearly. Because if you can see, you should know that I am pregnant.
Beautiful. I mean, that makes it more classic. I mean, you look so Damn, my bad. My bad. Baby girl, you look like see me right there. See me? Oh yeah, you look like see me. No, for real, you look so cool.
You're not a fool of me. Where are you? Your fellow man put me in this condition.
Oh, forget about it.
I'm married.
Oh yeah.
Now.
No, you forget about that. I mean, so like you look so sexy on that baby bomb, for real. Fine girl. Oh, look at that eye. That's what I'm talking about. Girl, you look like Cardi B. You look like Cardi B, baby girl.
In this life, one day more, just be contented with whatever you have. A Johnny can and nanny girl. One day more, a Johnny can and nanny girl. I never see this kind of people before. Come around, one do rock a passenger. What you want? Chuku nanife, onyonyelu, omaluya. Anyosa, osa bereke, bereke chicken yereke. Isi no suake. Anyosa, osa bereke.
What's up, pretty angel? Slide it. What's good? Hey, pretty angel, come on, slice it. Oh, come on, man, slice it, pretty angel, what's good?
Are you monitoring me? What do you want from me?
I want a whole lot. Where do? Oh, 1 minute. Hold on, Jazzy. Just 1 minute, please. Yeah, what's up, Don Jazzy? I'm okay, boy. Oh, you want my G-Wagon? Oh, the Bentley. The Bentley. Sorry, 1 minute. No, the Bentley is not right here. It's at my mansion in Banana Island. Oh, you want it for AY Life? Oh, damn. Okay, then I'll call AY. Come on, Jazzy, slice it. I cannot make it. I'm right in my village. You see, I'm grooming talents, looking for some talented artists to, make a star. Okay, then I'll call my chauffeur, my driver to come pick you up. That will be better. Okay, boy. Okay. All right, see you then. All right, bye. Oh, I'm sorry about that. This is Don Jazzy. It's my boy, actually. He wants my car, but I told him to slice it. So it's all right. You see, like I was saying before he interrupted my call, I saw your stuff, right? I saw your stuff right there when you were dancing. And I said to myself, this talented girl can't be wasting in this damn village. I'm right here to make you a star. I mean, make you better than Tiwa Savage. Make you better than See me. What am I even saying? Make you better than Beyonce. Baby girl, I'm gonna make you a big star. Bigger than Jennifer Lopez. Slice it.
I forgot again.
You say what?
Afagi or Guinea.
Afango.
What's your name?
Oh, that. Okay, well, my name is Namdi.
Or you can call me the lyrical headmaster. My flows can cause disaster. When I see you, I said to myself, I'm gonna make you a star faster. You get? So I'm just trying to splash her. You want me to go on and on?
Lyrical... what?
Headmaster. My flows can cause disaster.
Lyrical headmaster. Or whatever you call yourself. The next time you go somewhere, peacefully now go on somewhere, is stop one. Don't try it again. You know, let's remember up and down.
Come on, baby girl. I want you to beat Beyonce's record. Hey, listen up. Okay, you know what? You know what? You're gonna beat Jennifer Lopez's record. Let me shock you right now. Baby girl? No, this girl's better than Cardi B.
What are you eating? Who had the money to eat this thing? You're a thief. You're a bloody thief!
No, I'm not a thief. I just took 200 naira. I'm not eating since last night. Listen.
How much do you sell for you to start eating by this time of the day?
So I sold 2 pieces of stabilizer and 1 fan.
Because you sold 2 stabilizers and 1 fan, that gave me the bed. Don't take my money! Alright, nonsense. You're a fool! An idiot! Let me warn you. Next time you want to take my money, you have to tell me. Do you know how long it took me to make this money? I'm asking you. Do you know how long it took me to make this money? Good. Chukunonso. Good. Better be guided. I said what? Better be guided and be useful to yourself. Now, get out. I'm going to cut from customers. Get out and join me as cut from customers.
What is wrong? What is wrong with you? What are you doing around my husband's house? Do you want trouble?
I just came to see you. Just
to see me?
Of course.
See, Adirogima. Eh? Have I not wanted to stay away from me?
Hey, come on now. I ain't here to cause any problem. Can you slice it?
You ain't here to cause any problem. Go now.
Oh, come on, you take a chill pill. I just came for us to see. Okay. That means we're seeing when.
Whoa.
I heard your voice. Were you quarreling with anybody?
No, it's not just small children. I'm asking that they came to play inside our compound. They made very noise, making noise up and down. They said they were playing football and their football entered the compound. They came here started playing the ball. Can you imagine? Disturbing me.
They're always like that too.
I mean, I don't even need the noise. Anyway, I think I need massage.
Massage? Just that?
Let's go inside.
In this life,
Oh, Dara.
just be contented with whatever you have. Ojonike na nanike, Ojonike na nanike. I never see this kind of people before. Kamaramu andura kafasicha. What you want?
What's up, Pretty Angel? What's good?
Do you really run after every pregnant woman? Okay, say sorry one in diminazo.
Well, you really need to slice it for real. I knew you would come.
That has not answered my question.
Okay. Well, it depends on the married woman. This particular married woman has something special about her, something unique, and I'm yet to find out.
Well, as you can see, Ademimi, I'm pregnant for my husband. So, Guam, what do you really want from me?
Can I ask one freaky ass question? Why are you here?
Well, because I know you will come back to my house again if I don't come. Tell me. Ele he choro. Kini kiji ne sare mo up and down. Na sare mo. Iba ola ni gari choro mazu. Achwari mazu.
Charazo? What's that?
Achwari mazu. Achwari mazu. Mama wotu mama marry achwari mazu. Ele ho.
Oh, you mean your butt?
Yes, this butt belongs to one man.
Oh, I get what you mean. That's Cardi B butts, you know what I mean? Like Serena Williams, like Nicki Minaj, but cut the slack. Actually, I'm here in this village to groom talents, right? I pulled over to groom talents, to take to Universal Studio, and so on and so forth. So when I saw you, I said to myself, that is #1 project in this village. I'm here to make you a star. Yes, a very, very super duper star. So first, hold on. Oh, my driver, 1 minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah, boy, what's good? What? No, you're joking, right? No, you better be joking. My G-Wagon. Oh, damn. You better start planning your funeral, boy. It's about to get shitty. Are you for real? You're a dead man. Don't worry, I'm coming back to Lagos pretty soon. You are a dead man. Can you imagine this fool? My G-Wagon just went up in the flames. My driver.
G-Wagon. Man, I mean, what's G-Wagon?
Oh, G-Wagon is my baby, you know. It's a bulletproof I bought for 7 to 8 million. So this stupid boy just called me to tell me he had an accident.
Sorry, even that what I want me home, but sorry.
It's alright. I'll just call the Miss company to replace it. Just that it's one of my favorite toys. Damn.
Did you say you make me a star?
It looks like you don't know who you're talking to. On the real, slice it. I am the lyrical headmaster. My flow can cause disaster. I'm here in this village to make you a star faster. No, think of it. So if I can make someone like, what's that guy that smokes weed? Naira Marley, Zlatan, Rema, so on and so forth. If I can make them stars, how about pretty girl like you? Look, I want to put this big boy, this big producer in your life to make you a super doper star. Like the likes of Cardi B, Rihanna, Chidi. I've said that before to you.
Well,
so you just need to...
I'm not on deep, but I don't know them.
They are big stars, but you'll be baby. Thank you for pulling over to see me.
I hope I will not regret this.
Oh, come on, man. Slice it. There's absolutely nothing to regret. You see, I am the lyrical headmaster. My flow can cause disaster. I'm here to make you a star faster. I mean, looking at you, you're not fit to be in this village. You don't deserve to be here. Oh, look at that Rihanna smile. Look at that Rihanna smile, baby girl. I'ma change your whole wide world. I got you, okay? Damn, the smile is priceless. I got you. All right, let's hit the road.
Hola. Yaba! What's it up? Yeah? What do you even think you're doing?
What do you mean by what do I think I'm doing? You can name me.
Do you know you're a young married woman?
Uh-huh.
And it is something that should be taken seriously. Eh? Do you know that? I mean, what were you doing in that position on the road with that man?
Which man? Momanka Olak. No, you know you are old. I don't think you see clearly these days. That is if somebody look like me, see no more. In our chief was in your room, that's why you are seeing my face on the person's face. But it wasn't me. I'm careful. Okay, me careful. I'm going to go and rest. I'm tired.
Yes, it must bore you. It must bore you.
Wow, ooh, look at that Rihanna smile.
Hey.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. They are not ready. I swear down, they are not ready. The storm is coming. The storm is about to come. They are not ready, girl. Oh, you shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Oh, damn, girl. Slice it. Slice it.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, come on, baby girl. Slice it. Slice it for real. Slice it. Slice it. Slice it. That's what I'm talking about. You see, you are so talented, girl. In fact, talented is an understatement. You are a super doper star. You are a super mighty star.
Thank you.
You're a fucking good dancer.
Thank you.
You see, you're not worthy to be in this village for real. Slice it. You don't need to be in this village. You know what? I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna show you a glimpse of what I'm talking about. Slice it.
Okay.
I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
YouTube.
Wait. You don't know what YouTube is? Like YouTube?
Maromia.
You see why I'm hinting on you leaving this village? How can you say you don't know what YouTube is? You're joking, right?
No. But you've not told me what YouTube is. Can you hear?
Wow, come on, girl. You slice it for real. YouTube is, you know, a media where you share videos for people online to watch and comment.
Ezioku?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, how do they learn TV? I mean, television. Television, how do they learn television?
Yeah, television. Yeah, you can watch it on television. Yeah, people. Millions of people. Rich people. Big people. They are going to watch. In fact, take a chill pill. Take a chill pill. Let me upload it. What will be the caption? Okay, pregnant dancer.
Boom!
It's in.
It's in.
Upload it.
I don't even understand. I want to run here.
What?
What is it?
Are you for real? Look, it's barely 1 minute I uploaded this video and you already have 1 million views plus 168,000 comments.
Ashiocha.
God damn it. Wait, let me go through the comments. Let me go through the comments. Oh shit, man. This girl is a girl. So someone just called you a pregnant star. I told you you're a superstar.
Thank you.
You are super duper mocha star. That's what's up.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
1.2 million views. Just. Oh damn, this is crazy. You know what? Let me make this fucking call. Let me just call Jay-Z, my boy. Let me contact Universal Studio and Titan Studio.
Jay-Z.
Oh yeah.
Oh, gas no. Beyonce. Oh yeah.
Oh, Beyonce. You know, I wrote replaceable song for Beyonce.
Hey, Kudina.
Of course.
No, get there. It's a pleasure.
Take a chill pill.
It's a pleasure.
Slide it. Yeah, hello. Yeah, what's up, boy? No, see, you just talk to Kanye. I'm about to. Hello? Oh, damn.
Ogini, what is it?
My airtime, but my Kadenuga for Globacom just sent me like 50,000 airtime.
Hey.
What happened?
I'm sorry.
What happened?
Don't worry. I'll recharge it for you later.
You can probably recharge. I recharge like 50k, 100k every day for international calls and stuff. That's way too much for you. You can do it. Don't worry.
Don't worry. Okay, I'll recharge 20,000 for you later. At least let me start from there. I know it's small for lyrical headmaster, but don't worry. I will. Girl. At least for all the things that you've done. I'll get to him now YouTube. And I'm sure what YouTube I'm not. I mean, the YouTube made it to finish.
Yeah, but come on, forget about it. Just slice it.
I insist. That I'm the chori boy, but don't worry, I insist.
Wow, you see why I said you're kind, man. Thank you. Don't worry, when my bullion van pulls over, then I'll give you back.
No need though. Where else? Don't worry.
No, you need it. Superstar, super duper star.
Change you go. Like I can say, me, I want to go and cook for my husband.
Okay. All right. It's all right. So tomorrow we'll do another one.
Yes, thank you.
All right. My Beyonce. That's what's up.
Hey, how to find a YouTuber? I'm gonna do that tomorrow, okay? Yeah. Will it be there till tomorrow?
That's what's up. That's the thing I'm about to tell you.
Hey.
Yeah. Hey. Wow, look at 2 million views already.
I cannot let her destroy my home with her flirty attitude. I need to do something before it becomes too late. I can't keep quiet any longer. Not on my watch. I must do something. Nani, well done.
Thank you.
Nani, there's something I want to discuss with you. It's been bothering me since, and I felt I should let you know.
So, what is it?
It's about Olako.
Olako? What about Olako? What has she done to you this time?
Her attitude these days is unbecoming of a married woman. And I felt I should talk about it because honestly, it's not good for you and I.
So, what is it?
Well, I found her in an uncompromising place, seeing this young man. I wouldn't have come to you, but I've spoken to her severally and she has not stopped seeing him.
Okay, is that all?
No, you're not surprised.
Why should I be surprised? I mean, do you see me as a gossip?
Hey.
No, you left everything you are supposed to do there. And you come here to gossip my Udara with me?
Is that all you have to say?
What do you want me to say?
the young one you are talking about, he's a music and dance teacher. Yes, and I approve of it. The uncompromising place you're talking about is a very quiet place where they practice their music and dancing, so that there will be no interference. Oh. Now, just tell me something you think I don't know, or you just shut up and go and mind your business.
My mouth is already shut.
Good.
Business minded.
Yes.
Okay.
Just leave here.
I will. Because when you will. Hey.
Or you can do this.
What's in an abwe?
This life, one more.
This is 30,000 naira. Please, you need to buy credit. Then the remaining one, I go money. Take.
Oh, come on, baby, slice it. I don't need it, for real. I've already made calls for my bullion van to pull over. What am I doing with this?
It's okay, just very.
Are you sure about this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on, just slice it. Take it.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry.
Wow, I cannot believe it.
The
last time someone gave me money was Nicki Minaj in California.
California.
Wow, thanks a lot. Thanks. What?
Easy.
Why?
Mine outside. The man will keep fine.
Pardon?
I'm married.
Oh, yeah, of course I know. But it's just a French help.
No, they won't see it like that in the village. No.
Okay. All right then, if you say so. I'm just gonna slice it.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a bounce then. So we'll see much later.
Okay. Bounce? That's gonna take up Bonaga. I don't understand. That's what we call bounce.
No, like bounce. Like I'm just gonna move. I'm just gonna go. That's what I mean.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going later.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
One more.
I got it.
Just be contented with whatever you have. Ojonike na nanike. Ojonike na nanike. I never see this kind of people before. Samarano andura kapasite. What you want? Chuku na nife. Onyonyelo. Omoluya. Anyasa. Osambereke. Sambereke. Leke chigi. One memo. Isinozuwa. Anyasa. Osambereke. Sambereke. Leke chigi. Isinozuwa. Imani ipeka.
Udara, I kept some money in my pocket in the wardrobe. Did you collect it?
Oh yes, I took it.
You took a whole 30,000 naira?
Yes.
What for?
I used it to buy something for our unborn child. Our child.
What would you be using a whole 30,000 naira for? Just for a child?
Cheru. 30,000 I cannot buy a whole. Something I just told you now, I used to buy something for our unborn child. Okay, it's very stingy. You are stingy. You are stingy. I told you what I used to do. It has become a whole. Don't worry. By the time I will tell my child, need the stingy, that you refused me buying things for him or her when I was pregnant.
Ordinary 30,000 I can joke. I haven't even started safe. I go with me one. By the time I start buying him one, get ready. You need making noise back at 30,000.
I didn't mean it that way now. Eh? After all, 30,000 naira is not big money. It's just that I kept it for something. No problem. Eh? Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
You never see something, you never see on your face.
What is it?
This palm wine is very sweet.
Very good. I don't buy useless things. This is very wonderful. And remember I told you, Baka, not to worry, that you have children in their numbers.
You said it. Same as I told you, that you are still strong and energetic. That you will still give birth to children and more children.
Oh, yeah. You said it also. Meaning that both of you were seeing the future.
Yes.
Man. It's wonderful.
Oh, that is sweet.
I understand. Your newborn son is not even going to be the last.
Is it?
Thank you, my friend Nigerian. Thank you very much.
Drink. What about the bushmeat?
Drink. Just drink.
What's good?
I'm fine. You know it's risky you being out here, eh?
Oh, come on, slice
you have
it.
to come one day.
Slice it, baby girl. You see, I was actually missing you, so it's been a while. So what's the update? Do you have the money now?
Yes, I have it.
Oh, very good. So how much do you have?
I don't know. I didn't count it, but it's very big.
Very big?
Yes.
That's what's up. Slice it. Okay, fine. That means I have to go get ready because Rihanna is coming in 3 days time. So I want to go get his PJ ready. That's private jet ready.
PJ?
Yeah.
Private jet?
Exactly.
What's that one?
Private jet is like airplane. Don't worry about it. Get ready. Both of them. Same time. Okay?
Okay.
See you.
Go on.
Alright.
No, you're welcome.
Why is Obinna crying?
Obinna is crying because Obinna is hungry.
What of Ulako?
I have not seen her. She's been gone from this compound for more than 2 hours now.
Where could she have gone to now?
Oh, maybe she has gone for dancing and singing lessons.
What do you mean by dancing and... Hey! You mean she has not come here?
No, I've not even seen her.
Where could she possibly be?
Are you sure she did not go to the market?
Market? No. I went to the market this morning and she even asked me to buy certain things for her. So I'm not sure.
This is serious. Where could she possibly be now?
Okay, let me check around the village for her. Huh? Let me just check.
Please, let me know when you see her.
Just be contented with whatever you have. Ojonike na nanike, Ojonike na nanike. I never see this kind of people before. Kamarano adura kapasite. What you want? Chuku na nife, onyonyelu, omoluya. Sambereke, one
yeah, that's what's up. So, you're welcome to my house.
You're okay. Okay, be serious for once. Your house. You live in a very big mansion.
Oh, come on, slice it. You see, actually, I live in Banana Island, but my studio is in Lakey Phase 1.
Maybe kind of now in Lakey Phase 11.
Oh, come on, girl, slice it. You see, this is Lagos. This town, right, is full of kidnappers. So what rich guys like us do, we'll disguise ourselves. So those kidnappers can ask us for ransom. You get, so what do? We live in apartments like this, you know, riding taxis, so they won't see us. So forget about it, slice it, let's just chill here. Then maybe later on, we'll go to a rental hotel. Or we'll do 5-star in
Is this place no worse than a prison? Eh? How can you have all the money you have and still be suffering like this?
My dear, it's freaking crazy. You see, flashback to 2004 when I shot a Holla at Your Boy video for Whiskey. You know, when I was returning from location, some creepy ass niggas kidnapped me. Imagine. They kidnapped the lyrical headmaster. My flows can cause disaster. They kidnapped me and asked for $350 million ransom. I don't want to remember that. It's crazy. But see, girl, forget about it. Go in there. Freshen up. We could go somewhere else to chill.
Heat me with him. I'm hot. Heat. Do you have fan?
Fan?
Hand fan. A good hand fan.
Oh, hand fan. I used that for Tiwa Savage in Cape Town, but unfortunately, I do not have any. Girl, that is Louis Vuitton. I bought that in Paris. You're using my hat to find yourself, but it's alright. Big boy's life, right? You just go, you know, freshen up. I'm also hot, but what do I do? So.
You mean you sleep on this phone?
Oh, come on, girl. Slice it. Slice it. Stuffs like that. We're just trying to stay cool. Come on, freshen up.
The baby has slept. Hello.
Thank you very much. Hey.
Okay, what's the problem?
What did I do wrong? What crime did I commit? I mean, what did she ask for that I didn't provide? Eh? I just don't understand. How can a lactating mother abandon her own child and run away with another man? Why is it done? It would have been better if she left with the child. Now, if I committed any crime against her, did the child also commit any crime against her?
Nani, let me tell you something. You wanted a wife. You brought her in. I told you, I warned you severally of her waka waka. But what did you do? You told me she was singing, doing singing and dancing lesson. I should let her go. Okay, just...
You need to understand now. I needed another song badly. Eh? Understand. Hey. She left with my 600,000 naira. Oh.
Eh? It's again. Hey! Nani! So you had 600,000 naira cash stashed in that house?
But that is not the problem right now.
It is one of the problems right now.
But my problem is, how will that child be able to cope? That's my problem.
And your problem is how you'll be able to get back your 600,000. Two problems, so I feel well now. Anyway, I spare the child. I will take care of the child.
You will?
I will bring up that boy like he's my own.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You are very nice. Hey.
Anyway, you know, now that I'll be taking care of the boy, I will need to buy things like Pampers, baby food, because I cannot breastfeed the child. Good water, not pure water, bottled water, and some other things that a child will need. So, you know, you make the money available.
I can take care of the child. That one is no problem.
Okay, as you're going to your quarters now, you carry the child, and carry him and take care of him immediately.
But you said you will take care of him.
No, I need money to take care of the child.
I will give you.
You will. Oh, Maka. Yeah, there be 600,000 naira. There be na akwa okukukwala akwa n'enu akwa. Na akwa tosi.
Lyrical headmaster, my flow cause disaster, chilling in a fast.
Are you going somewhere?
Oh yeah, baby. Actually, I have a meeting with them Jazzy, so I'm actually. Talk up the devil. Yeah, what's up? OBO. Oh, no, I'm actually here chilling now. I'm coming, where are you? Come on, my boy, don't be stupid. Can you take a chill pill for once? Slice it. Okay, so what's up with Don Jazzy? Okay, you guys are quillers. Okay, great then. I'll meet you up then. Oh, come on, slice it. Don't prey on me and Hennessy. Okay, I'll meet you up then. Alright.
I'm coming with you.
Madam?
Why can't you be a city?
You see, I
You really have to slice it. Should I tell you why? You see, part of the reasons we're having this meeting is about you.
Actually, give you Don Kaikmana village.
The Don Jazzy. And Obio. My boy. Okay, no, see, we're trying to have this meeting so we can make you a star. Bigger than Tiwa, name it, Simi, and so on and so forth. So, it's not really the right time. Yes, you have to slice it for real. Don't worry, you get to meet them. They're my boys. I can call them anytime, say hello, and they will come around. So, but tonight, nah.
But I'm going to be low. I'm still trying to get used to this
But here is actually very safe.
It's hot.
Look, I have my snipers around, FBI, safeguarding here.
Sniper?
Alright.
Yeah, I need to come back sniper at this heat.
No.
Oh,
girl, come on. You really have to slice it for real. Not sniper, pet sniper. Is a sniper, gun sniper. FBI, soldiers around. Oh, you think I'm actually here alone? No, I'm a billionaire. I have people safeguarding me.
Safeguarding?
Of course. Okay, so, you see, I'm actually having little issues with my bank. My ATM. So, but I phoned the MD of Zenith Bank, so he's trying to sort that out. So, if you can give me 50,000, just 50,000 from that money, when bullion van pulls over, I can just give it to you.
50,000.
Oh yeah, just 50,000. 50,000.
Cool.
Amalichua, Juku get off of my Kanem Madiputalo, Sina Ganayafa. Amalichua, Juku get off of my Kanem Madiputalo, where Bula Batufe, Bula Batufe, where yellow father, Bula Batufe. When you love for them, Chukwu na-enyife onye onyelu onwelu ya onye ụsa bereke bereke chigiri isi na ozu onye ụsa bereke bereke chigiri isi na ozu imane ibekwa one chance ya.
Who's there? Who is there? No, this guy. Wrong.
Just me wrong. I was just
going to clean this. So, the meeting you told me you were going for was to go get drunk?
Oh, no, not really, my girl. You see, just slice it. Actually, after meeting with Don Jazzy, he was, celebrating the, signing of his new artist into his label, Rema. Oh yes, so we had so much champagnes. We have MI came through. Beyonce even came through.
So they asked you to store how they drink Nima forget. I don't understand.
No, not really. Slice it for real. You see, I didn't take much. I took just a little, just a sip. But because I'm not used to taking alcohol, it does so much effect on me. But I promise, I will not try it again. Anything for my baby girl.
Better not to.
But I promise, I will not do it again.
You better not to.
No.
That's not funny.
Did I really misbehave last night?
You did.
Oh, come on, slice it. Come here. Come to daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So, you didn't even ask me how the meeting went?
Then you came back half dead.
Okay, fine. The meeting went splendid. You see, you're gonna shoot your first musical video with Kanye West in no time. Let me bust your bubbles.
Kanye West.
Oh yeah, it's my boy.
Who is that one?
American artist.
American artist?
Oh yeah. Take it easy.
My friend, I'm international!
Yeah, Techno is coming. I call my boy Techno. He's coming too.
Lyrically.
That's what's up. Lyrically, headmaster. Our flow can cause disaster.
Yes.
I'm gonna make you a star faster.
Oh, lyrically.
That's what's up, baby girl.
Mama.
So,
Mama.
you're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mama.
Are you okay?
Mama, I'm okay. I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Hey, Nna. You've lost so much weight. You're wearing bathroom slippers. You're looking unkept. Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine. Can we go inside? Let me drop my bag. At least drink from my mother's spot.
Oh, where? No.
So, you made Jude of all people could do this to you?
Papa, my mouth cannot explain the humiliation I faced in the hands of brother.
Now, tell me, in the course of your living with him, was there anything that you did or that you normally do that will warrant him to treat you like this?
Papa, not to know. Okay, see, I'll be the first person to wake up in the morning to do the house chores. I'll be the first to get to the market before any other shop owner. I scout for customers. Now, hustle now, good dear. Papa, we make big sales almost every day, but he's never satisfied.
William, what this means is that our allowing our son to go and live with him was a waste of time. Even the university he promised to take him to, he never did.
Nani, it's not a waste of time. There is no experience that is waste. Jesus Christ, like my Bible told me, it was his humble nature, his humility, that made him the Son of Man. So, whatever experience our son has gone through will only make him a better person. It's not a waste.
Okay. Now, what next?
Papa, Mama is right. I've learned a whole lot, especially in that business. Oh, all I need now is just capital to start my own.
What of your education? Are you relinquishing that?
By God's grace, I'll get into the university.
Well, so how much do you need to start this business?
Okay, Papa, like shop rent now, I'll be needing 300,000 naira. Then to purchase the goods, I will need 1.2. The whole amount to 1.5 million. Then I'm good.
Well, it's all right. As it is right now, I really do not have much money with me. What it means is that you are going to live with us in the village here for a while. Let me try and look around. Try to raise the money so that you can start something.
Okay, Papa. Thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Nani, thank you.
You don't have any right to come into my house demanding to take my son away from me. You don't!
Olago is my younger sister. If anyone should be in possession of that child, that person must be me.
After all your sister did to me and my child, you should be burying your face in shame instead of coming here demanding for my son.
I never asked her to do all that she did. So don't hold me responsible.
Then you don't have any right to come here demanding for the child. Now I want you to leave my house before I do something very terrible to you. You are still there. Now if I go in there and come out and you are still here, then I will show you what a paid person can do to an opportunist like you. Do you hear me? Wait for me.
What's up? Are you good? Are you good, baby girl?
Not. Now here 1 month since we came to Lagos. Nothing. We been hearing. You told me that once we get here, things will start happening. Eh? When are we going to start recording this music? When are we going to start recording the label? Even my the big celebrities in this thing being introduced to nothing. What about in Kimmy? Eh? I'm maybe silly. Silly nigga.
Sorry. Look, baby. Unreal. You just need to slice it. Just take a chill pill. I'll be working on a big project. Actually, my producers, my boys, their schedule are quite a little bit tight. Not for me, but you know, a perfect time for them to make an impeccable production for you. I'm in talks with Mastercraft, Young John, Salo Bobo. Very soon, they will pull over to make a strategic album for you. Legendary.
I know what I'm saying. The money I took from my husband is almost finished. What be him?
On a real, I repeat, you need to slice it. I am money. Money calls me. You see, for this, let me call Jay-Z. Jay-Z is owing me some money. It's about time he pays me that money.
Boy.
It's better to call Beyonce. Oh no, let me call Jay-Z.
In this life, one and more, just be contented with whatever you have. A Johnny can Nanny can
Nanyo!
A Johnny can
Nani! Nani! Oh, it is a lente! Nani! Nani, please come out.
Why are you shouting like this?
Because the baby is not feeling too well. Yes. All through the night he cried. He just stopped crying. Besides, his running temperature. He hasn't been himself, Biko.
Maybe he's hungry. Go and give him some cereal.
Oh, Nani, it's not food. I have fed this boy. It's not food. He's not feeling well.
So, what do we do now?
Well, let's take him to the local health center, Nani, Biko.
Okay, wait for me,
Please, hurry up, hurry up.
Collect the key.
You'll be fine, no?
You never see something, you never see on your belly, I never forget that. Oh, we cannot easy. Oh, we cannot easy. Oh, we cannot easy. Oh, we cannot easy. On your balcony, so that on your side. Obula bagi inesi sawa fa wana ni koji onyeli neli gaya eti okweli ondibakwa osa bereke
Baby, are you okay? Are you okay?
I just had a very terrible dream.
Dream?
Hey.
Very terrible dream. That could be nightmare. I told you. You were watching those horror films. Now it's making you have bad dreams.
I'm boring horror film. Something is wrong.
What could be wrong? Come on, let's go to bed. It's just a bad dream, right? Okay?
I don't know.
Come on, let's go.
Something is wrong.
Nothing is wrong, baby. It's just a normal nightmare. You scared me. Come. Come, baby. It's alright. These films we are watching, that's why. Baby girl, are you okay?
come on, don't tell me you're still like this because of the dream you had last night.
I feel something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong.
Oh, come on, baby girl. You need to slice it. That's some superstitious belief. It's just a mere dream, nothing more. Huh? Hey, come on, you stop that. Is it actually Rihanna called on the phone? She asked after you, so I told her you're still thinking about the, featuring. You're still interested, right? Okay. Stop. It's alright. It's alright. It's just nothing, right? So, it's like
This life, one day more, just be contented with whatever you have.
So, just have whatever you want to have, alright? I'm the lyrical headmaster.
Really?
My flow can cause disaster.
You don't
I'm
mean
right here to make you a star faster.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Thank you so much.
Well, I'm the lyrical headmaster.
Really?
My flow can cause disaster.
Oh my God.
I'm right here to make you a star faster.
Oh, thank you so much.
God damn it. Look at that smile. You look like Kim Kardashian. I swear down. You know what? I'm gonna hit my boy Kenya up. I'm gonna tell him that I've seen someone that looks exactly like the wife.
Oh my God.
Watch me do this. Watch me do this. You wanna speak to Kanye though?
Not really.
You don't wanna say hi to him?
No.
Really? Oh, it's ringing.
Okay.
You know what? What's the need? What's the need?
Maybe
I
you can call him back later. Okay?
Thank you. I just call him much later. You can say that again.
So you come now, Fueba. Nandi. Oh, well, chicken. Chicken and wine,
No.
Nandi. Yo, is this way to the meeting?
No,
I am back in the meeting.
Actually, she's Don Jazzy's secretary. We were discussing on our...
Don Jazzy Guinea.
Yeah,
Baby, who is this bitch?
What did she call me? A bitch, of course.
A superstar. No, the bitch is a superstar. Take a chill.
A bitch.
Hey, no, take a chill pill. Take a chill pill.
Baby, allow her to do this to me. Are you mad? In Aquara.
Can you just take a chill pill for what?
Chill. Slice it. Slice it. Then go. Okay, follow me now. In Aquara. It's in my money with this foolish girl.
Wait. Do you realize you're holding a lyrical headmaster? Can you let me go? What's your problem?
Let you get it.
Can you?
Let you.
I don't like what you're doing now.
Don't annoy me.
Can you?
Don't annoy me. Baby, allow this thing to molest you like this.
No, we're shooting a musical video.
Really?
It's a musical video.
Musical video.
Look. Listen up, let me.
Shut up. Let you go. You're crazy. That's why I want to just believe this.
No.
You know what they're
Oh, come on, lady. You need to slice it for real. No, you need to take a chill pill. Why would you do that? No, why would you do that in this whole wide world? Do you know who that lady was? For crying out loud, that lady is an SA to the governor on music and entertainment. We were actually discussing a deal about you and you came there to talk to her rudely. Why would you do that? Damn, man. We were actually planning on bringing Cardi B for you to feature her. Shooting a musical video in Washington, D.C. Oh, damn. This shit is crazy. No, you need to slice it for real. I wasn't talking about Oprah Winfrey to get that down for you, and you came to fuck the deal up. Oh, shit. Holy shit. I mean, anointed shit. Unambi!
knock on people's door? Okay, say me na Lagos. Ibe na a bank na. I'll be maybe says AC from Animal Zoo or something on Lagos. Is that how you knock on people's door? Why would you knock my door like that?
It is obvious you are a stranger. I am the landlord of this compound. Go in there and call me that foolish boy.
There's no foolish boy living here.
Look, young lady, I am not here to joke. I must collect my money from Nnamdi today. Go in there and call me Nnamdi. I have tried for him. I have been patient enough for him. 1 year and 6 months. Is it a joke?
1 year and 6 months what?
As rent. Each time I come here, he keeps telling me that the contract he did for the state government, they have not paid him. Is it the only state government contractor?
Slow down. Did you say Nnamdi's own you?
House rent for 1.5 years. I want to try for him. I've not been lenient enough for him. Each time I come here, he keeps telling me that the state government has not paid him for the contract that he did for them. Is it the only state contractor that we have in this state?
No. Nnamdi is not a contractor. He's a music producer.
Hey! Another Mugu has fallen for a disease. For your information, Nnamdi is not a music producer. Music producer, come. Go in there and call me that stupid boy. I know he has successfully deceived you. Go in there. I said,
Chero, you mean Nnamdi does not bring American musicians to Nigeria?
All lies.
Hey.
All lies. He told me he's a contractor and I have told you that he's a music producer. Which one will you believe?
Wait, I'm not Davido.
I said, go in there and call him. Call him, let him come and open up and tell you the truth himself.
Wait. Seriously, you need to slice it.
I shouldn't slice it. You shouldn't slice it. Slice it, go away, bang. Slice it, go away. It shouldn't slice it, also. My baby, you want your Nnamdi? Hey!
Lyrically, oh.
Lyrically, bogi.
No, actually, I'm the lyrical master.
Okay,
my flow can cause disaster. I'm here to make you a star faster.
Flow, Gini! Is she flowing me? Flow, go again, man. If flow, then we go. Olako, you won't you. Olako, you won't be. Olako, when money
you don't have to listen to that man.
You came. You pay baga, but this your two left legs. Gauge ya.
My husband's house, Aragando. Gabi. She about off him. She make him a star. Major is when I go to me.
Hey! Real, you don't have to listen to that man. That man is a nitwit that goes from door to door causing problems. You see, he's angry with me because he wants me to project his son Acme and Vicky O. They're actually twins, but I refuse.
You're still lying.
I'm not lying. He wants me to project his 2 sons, Vicky O and Speed Darlington. Hey,
Nnamdi, that was me well. I want to me well. Don't try it.
Come on, girl, you need to slice it. You don't have to do this.
Where is your woman? Where is your woman? Hey! Musical star, musical label.
Let me just call P Square. Let me just call P Square now.
Not the person. Or I'm going a person for a not. Okay, we're back again. For me, guys, younger. A person got you, shall better. Get a person, you shall look at I can't even bring my husband's place. That was so.
Can you please slice it? Don't listen. Oh shit, man. That man is about to cost your career. He's about to cost your career. Don't do this. You know what? Let me call P Square. Let me just call P Square straight up. Okay, fine. Let's just go to Banana Island. Let's all this end. Let's go. What am I waiting for? Let's.
Oh, she banning me. But I have for banana or pineapple.
Say, don't do this. Don't do this.
I told me me henge me. Ndile kosa bakora ma gingao. Ndile kosa bakora ma gingao. Namdi. Shimi who for?
Say,
Namdi shimi who for?
No. Don't do this. Can you slice it, please?
I'm going to slice it though. That was not slice it though. I'm not slice it.
Wait. What is wrong with you?
Namdi.
Wait.
Namdi. Let your compound. Soka we ga enzena. Leya. Baby, like first 10.
It's my bullion van. Bullion van was about bringing money here and sent it.
Okay, but Shani Ishibo Gashi. Onya Shiki.
Okay, I hate you one now. Mbachalo, Bikewa. All the Komakana, I've been begging you now. Why no way? What year now? What was here now? Maybe Chewa was here now.
This is
Ma Sunibo Bogan, Abromonibo. Abromonibo.
Very alarm.
One day, get channels or Kalionios also in the Ebony now. Why no way? Anabogini. Le Caribi. Le Caribi. My
Namdi, let her real.
One day now, because I've been calling you Nicki Minaj. Le Caribi. Nicki Minaj.
Namdi, wicked.
Nicki Minaj.
Hey!
One day, why? Because
Hey!
Lyrical hate master.
People before, come around, one do rock a facility. What you want? You put anything on your yellow, on my lawyer, on your side.
What are you coming to do here? What are you coming to do in my compound?
Please, Mara, forgive me. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Because I'm hurting on. I don't know what he told me and that made me to follow him. Forgive me. You know I love you. I love you just the way you are.
Now I close my eyes. Before I open them, I need you out of my compound now. You are still here. Wait for me.
Biko, hey, my co-wife. Biko, help me, I'm begging. Biko, help me, beg him. Hey, Wanyoma, you are still here.
Olako, what has gotten into you? Tell me! What has gotten into you? If I was not here when you were born, I would say you're not my sister!
Sister, I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. You know how much I love music and dance. He told me my husband was too old and he couldn't help me with my career.
So has he helped you? Mrs. Know-it-all, has he helped you? By now you should be on television. So why am I not seeing you? Why am I not seeing you?
He deceived me. He's not a music producer. Even the money I stole from my husband, he squandered the money. All he does is carry girls up and down. He's not who he claims to be. I'm sorry.
into you? What got into you? I thought you're wise.
I'll never do it again. I promise I will never do it again. All I want is to go back to my husband and my son. And my husband will let me in. He sent me away. He sent me away so I should go. Please, I want you to help me beg him. Help me beg him. Tell him to accept me back. Tell him I'm not a good woman. Tell him help. What is it? Why are you crying? I'm sorry.
Which son are you talking about?
What other son, sister? My son will be now. I miss him. I want to see him.
Ulak, you've hurt me so much. I'm sorry. How can you leave your son who is just 2 months old and run away? And now he's gone.
Gone? Yes. Gone to where? Where? Who took him? Who took my son? Where is he? Where is my son? Who took him?
Obinna is dead. He's dead.
Obinna is what?
Obinna is dead.
Hey! No! Tell me it's a lie. Ulak. Tell me it's a lie. No! Ulak. No!
Calm down.
No!
Calm down.
Hey! I'm dead! I'm dead! No! I'm dead! Where's my son? Where's my son? Hey! 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 No! Kebana! Amusu! Witch! Bye back in! It's one of them! You want to eat egusi soup after killing my son?
What is the matter with you?
Or say what is the matter with you? What is the matter with you? Eh? Amusu! I've always known that you have spiritual vampire teeth. You didn't get out my son, but it's not work for you. You will provide him.
I did wrong in taking care of the son you abandoned.
Take care of him? Oh, you took care of him. The fresh yaki.
Get out of this compound.
I said
get out of this compound.
I should get out of my compound.
Get out of the compound.
Olaku! What is wrong with you?
Okay. No problem.
Where are you fighting my wife?
Fighting who?
Take that one to not step your feet on this
I love you are in trouble.
All of you get out from this compound.
You are. You even with my trouble. You got one. I'm going to get. You got one. Okay. You got where?
Okay.
You are going to see madness. You are I will come back. I will never get to see you again. You will see me.
Don't mind her. Eh? Don't mind her. Please.
Did I do wrong in taking care of a child she abandoned?
You didn't.
What does she mean? I killed her son.
Listen to her. She's talking nonsense. You didn't kill her son.
It's all your fault. If you hadn't brought her into this compound, I am never an aquas again. I'll be go.
Nkiri ka a na-ekiri odudo jiri eli ozu. Okirikiri ka a na-agba ukwu ose adari ose enu. What you ask for is possible with the right sacrifices.
I am willing to do anything to get back at Iberichi and to take my husband back from her.
I hope you understand the implication of what you are getting into, woman.
I know, wise one. Just go ahead.
All right.
I'll give it back.
The sweetness of the soup is shaking me. Who are you? Look at Daddy.
The food, the sweetness has entered your brain. You're not asking, who are you?
We are.
I'm asking who are you? Who are you? And what are you doing in my compound?
That's one more joke. No, you okay, Paul?
What's the meaning of this? I don't understand.
Where's your father? Where's your father? Are you mad? Look, I'm closing my eyes now. Before I open them, I need two of you to get out of my compound now. I don't know you.
This is serious.
What
is this?
Come! You think I'm joking? Is that what you think? Odema, Nabia, wait for me. Are you running? Wait for me! Idiot! Total strangers come to my compound! Hi!
You mean my son-in-law did all this you said and chased you out? Yes, ma'am. What kind of man is he? And you did not come to tell me all these years, Eberechi.
Mama, what same woman will go around telling her tale of woes to people?
Moka people, Eberechi. I am not people. I am your mother. And I should share in your body.
Mama, it wasn't like this before. It was after I got married to that girl that this whole thing started.
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay.
Food is here. You what you eat. Thank you.
No, so go ahead and eat.
You too. Do not despair, my daughter. My God is in control. Eat. Eat.
No. Hey, Mama. You still eat rice, no ganina?
No.
Mama, who is she?
She is my goddaughter's first child.
Mama? Informer's daughter?
Oh yes, you know her.
She was so little the last time I saw her.
She's grown big.
Nekwala! Abobala Juliobi.
Otogono.
Oh, abo apukwano. Enna.
Arudia.
Okwana Arudia. Nili.
Mama, enjoy your food.
Thank you.
No, Mama, no.
No, so calm down,
Mama,
calm down.
I cannot calm down. I cannot. I will not. Eh? How can Papa do this? Eh? How could Papa just throw us away out just like that? This is wrong.
Yes, it is wrong. But you need to understand. The way he's treating us is not good. But you need to understand. This is not a physical war that we're fighting. We need to fight this thing with caution.
Mama, no. Mama, okay, tell me. What do we do? What do we do? Sit down, watch her take everything away from us? Is that what you want? Mama, if that's your suggestion, Mama, I am sorry to disappoint you. I am not going to take it as a suggestion.
That is not what I am saying. All I am saying is that we calm down and handle this. It's not a physical war. So we need to know how to go about it.
Mama, I'm not taking this. I am not taking it. I am not going to take it.
Not so. Listen. Not so.
Chukwu kere ọfụma ka ndị mmadụ pụtara si n'aka na ya fa ọmarịcha ụwa Chukwu kere ọfụma ka ndị mmadụ pụtara wee bụrụ ọgbatufe wee nyere ụfọdụ bụrụ ọgbatufe wee nyere ụfọdụ
Eberechi, my daughter, men ought to pray and not to fight. Whatever they have done to your husband can be undone by you.
Mama, what haven't I endured? What have I not done? I've endured to make sure this marriage works out. But Mama, see the way he disgraced my son and I. He humiliated us. He turned us into objects of ridicule in the whole community. Mama, how wicked can a man be?
I understand how you feel, Eberechi. But have you for once thought that your husband needs help?
How, Mama?
Take it to the Lord in prayers, my daughter. You will like a praying mantis. Eberechi, what happened to you?
Mama,
don't tell me that marriage took away all these virtues from you.
Mama, I am not going to pray for him. No, Mama. He wanted to get married. He's married. Let him enjoy the fruit of his marriage. Mama, I will not pray for him.
Don't say that, my daughter. You must pray. You have to pray. You must pray.
You try then. What text to me? I taught you how to cook. Eh? Let me pray first. I don't understand you. I thought you were praying. I'll pray now. No, pray more.
Udaram, so you are here. Hey, thank goodness. Hey, Biko, I've been looking for you. I've looked up, looked down. Where have you been? Why did you leave me? Eh? Hey, do you want to kill me? Eh? I cannot live without you. I can't spend one more day without you. Please, let's go.
Go and marry your wife, Eberechi, and your son.
Who is Eberechi? I don't have any wife like that. You're talking of son. Who gave me that son? It's just me and you forever. Biko, let's go home.
So you think you can come into my compound and just carry me like that? After embarrassing me with a cutlass in his compound?
I'm sorry. I don't know how to say sorry. Oh. You just anything. Ask me to do anything, I'll do. Biko.
Are you sure?
Talk to her. I'm very sure. Anything. Hey. Talk to her now. Hey.
Buga.
Oh, my cap. Yes. What do you want me to do with it?
Use it. Clean my legs.
Oh, your legs.
Jesus Christ. Go down.
Olago, how dare you? It's not clean enough.
Mercy, stop.
Oh.
Mercy, stop.
Nneka, stay out of this.
Nneka, stay out of this now. This is between me and my wife. What's your problem? Okay.
Stay out of it.
Oh, Nneka, stay out of this now. This is between me and my wife. What is it? Let me go and check the other side. Hey. Let me clean this side.
What is it?
Oh, stop disturbing us now. Leave us alone. What's your business?
Yes.
Do you want me to do any other thing?
Yes.
Do you have clothes? Clothes I can wash.
There's something I want you to do.
Tell me, what is it?
This tree, Oshishia.
That tree?
Yes. My hair, Hamatan, not the dusty.
Oh, it's dirty?
Yes.
Okay.
They are cleaning it.
I should clean it, eh? Okay.
What is it? Mercy, don't mind her.
Oh, leave me now. What is your problem? Huh?
Don't mind her.
Oh, leave me.
Not your cap, your shirt,
Oh, my shirt, eh? Okay.
Use it.
Why are you doing this? Ask this old man to use his... Mercy.
Oh, leave me now. Leave me. What is your problem? Huh? This is between me and my wife. What's your own?
Please, can you come and talk to him? Come and talk to him now. Come and talk to him, Ola. Mercy, stop.
Oh, leave me now. What the heck, forget?
Ubaka!
Ma?
Didn't you hear me calling you?
I heard, but I was...
Oh, shut up, mouth! Shut up! Second I see that for over 1 hour now. Eh? So we are cleaning she since.
But it's no longer started cooking, oh.
That's not... You're calling me a liar?
No, now. Why will I call you a liar? If I'm the liar, I'm sorry.
I'm giving you 3 minutes. If after 3 minutes you can Syria, you get here again, eh? I'm going to call in Syria.
Yes, ma'am.
Nonsense. Nonsense.
My elders, we cannot fold our hands and watch these elders, these headers, raid our farms. We just need to do something about it.
What are we going to do about it?
That's why we're here.
How long are we going to continue holding this meeting without coming out with a sustainable plan? How long? Now we are at it again. Are we kindergarten? Or are we here for funeral service? Are we here for better arrangement?
We'll think about
it.
Udara, what are you doing with this frustrated old man?
Eh? No. Give it.
Did they not give you an assignment at home? Eh? Did they not get assignment? No.
Yes. Olwa, have you lost your senses?
Eh?
You walked in here without greeting us? Upon that insult, you're calling us frustrated elders?
Hey. Don't talk to my wife. Shut your mouth.
Why you mad and go home? Greet who? You remain for house? Anyway, I don't have your time. When I do, okay,
Don't talk to my wife.
Shut your mouth. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
It's moving. He really walked out on us.
I don't have strength to walk.
It's a lie.
This place.
Run, don't
Is he
walk.
okay?
Ubaka!
Is your back okay?
With this man.
Is your back okay?
Ubaka! No, something is wrong with our friend.
Is your back okay?
Naji,
it cannot.
what do you call this nonsense?
That is some. What name do I call that?
My friend, walk fast. Walk. I'm a woman, the rocky. No woman. Lazy. You call him, yeah? Oh, I'm skinny, but name now backyard. He again. Take it! You want to respect him at my slippers? What? Rubbish. Is this not the clothes I asked you to wash? Stupid and lazy man! Oh, back at the lazy man! The only thing you are good at is going to meet those your foolish, useless, fellow old men. And then I call Harry, saying nonsense, discussing rubbish.
Udaram, it's not like that, oh. I was about washing them when they came to call me.
Hey,
for the
Ubaka,
meeting.
you always have something to say. On your excuse, You sabi give excuse, Ubaka, excuses is no, Manobro in the middle of the night, you will not have to wake me up. Hey, my angel, Odaram, Tom, front, back. Ewu, he's smiling. Hey, what can you two like that thing? Even in the midst of this trouble, he can add your hands there.
I'm sorry.
Stupid man! What are you kneeling down for? I know! You want to kneel down to appease me again. So that Abali you will nothing for you this night. Nothing, in fact, for the next 1 month. Rubbish! That is the only place he will restrain. All bullets also him. All the only time he get energy and strength. He is also lazy. I don't even know where you get your strength from. As good as you are. You surprised me, All of a sudden, in another mood like this. Charge! Okay, start from there. Come on, wash his clothes. Lazy man. Wash it. Wash them well. Wash them well. Don't let me like this. Rubbish. And sign your fuma. Sign your fuma. Make sure you wash the armpits. Okay, no? And make sure you wash my pants very well. But if it's pants, you have a problem with me.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Hey. Why did I offend her now? Why did I offend her? Should I wear these clothes? Those stupid people that came here to call me for useless meeting when I'm supposed to do these things for my Udara. Hey.
Mama. Mama, I've spent so much time in this village. I've been in this village for a very long time, doing nothing. Hey, Mama, it's over a year now. Papa promised to give me some money so I can go back to Onisha and start off my own business, but nothing has been done. Mama, I've been wandering in this village like someone who doesn't have father. I
understand. I understand your position and what you're going through. I swear, if I had that money, I would have given it to you.
Mama, I am not saying you should give me money because I know you don't have. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that Papa should release that money which he promised to give me. He should release it. He promised me money a long time ago. What is happening?
So, are you thinking of going to him?
Yes. I want to go there.
Okay. After all, he's your father. You're his responsibility. So you can go.
No, thank you. At least thank you for supporting me. Thank you. What is this? Yeah, I need money.
You again? What are you looking for?
Papa, I am your son. Why are you doing like this? Without me, you'll be regarded as childless. Papa, what have we done to you that you're treating us this way? If there's any problem, tell us. We can find a solution as family. What is going on with you? What is it?
My friend, just state your mission and leave.
Okay, Papa, I came to ask you for the money you promised to give me to start off my business.
What money are you talking about? When did I promise you money?
Papa, you did.
Me?
Yes.
My friend, I don't know you. Now, get out from here. I didn't promise you any money. Get out from here.
What is wrong with you?
Get out from here. Are you mad? What's wrong with you? keep harassing my life. Do I know you? Nonsense.
I knew he wasn't going to give you anything. If I tried to stop you, you would have complained.
And what does she want? What does she want? What has she done to Papa that is making Papa to be treating us this way?
I don't know, but let's not talk about her. The important thing now is that you have to go back to the city.
Mama, I'll still go.
Good. But how do we raise money for
Mama,
that?
I will go with or without money.
But...
Mama, do not bother yourself. I will be fine. Yes.
Hey, Mom. May the God that watches over us lead you, my son.
Amen.
Amen.
May he make a way for you where there seems to be none.
Amen.
Amen.
May he cause men and women to favor you.
Amen.
The enemy will never see you back.
Amen.
No more. Take this. All the progress you made in life is in this book. Do not start a day without God.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Listen, you're no longer a boy, you're now a man. So go out there and be the man that you're destined to be.
I will, Mama.
Okay?
I will.
Yeah.
I'll start going now.
Take this.
Mama, you need this thing. You need it.
You need it.
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay.
Grandma.
Can come on one.
I love Mama.
Mama, let me see him off to the back.
Mama. I love Mama.
Because wicked people must be punished. No peace to you for the wicked. No peace for the evil one.
house. My bedroom for that matter.
He must never see or touch this. I repeat, he must never see or touch this. But then he does, you will run mad.
Baka!
Are you okay?
Baka.
What's wrong with you?
Where did you find this?
By the riverside. I don't understand the meaning of the note.
It says, if you are in possession of this paper, you are the chosen one. Call the number below.
I do not understand.
Yeah, hello? Yes? Yes? Okay, all right.
Who is that and what did he say?
I'm yet to understand it fully. But let's go somewhere. Come with me.
Oh, sorry for taking your time. We had to make sure you found the right thing.
Please, what is this all about?
The young man who found this note has been given access to treasure.
I don't understand, sir.
Well, this note was specially handwritten by the late Mr. Maxwell D. Maxwell.
Mr. Maxwell was the CEO of Maximum Oil and Gas.
Well, late Mr. Maxwell D. Maxwell owned some couples of business enterprises around the world. Prominent among them are Maximum Security and Enterprise PLC, Maximum Mobile PLC, and so on and so forth.
So how does all this concern you?
5 years ago, Mr. Maxwell was diagnosed and it was discovered that he had a terminal disease. And 2 years before diagnosis, his wife and his only son died in an air crash. So he had no one to inherit his wealth.
So Mr. Maxwell divided his wealth into 3 places. 1 he gave to charity around the world, 2 he gave to the church, and the 3rd he gave to whoever that will find these notes. Are you still confused?
Yes, I still am.
Well, Mr. Maxwell wrote this letter himself and digged it inside the water. And he said that whoever that finds this note should be made the CEO of Maximum Oil and Gas PLC.
In other words, Mr. Maxwell has willed his wealth to Mr. Chinos over here.
Well, Mr. Chinonso, on behalf of late Mr. Maxwell D. Maxwell, we, his entire council, are delighted to hand over his. You know,
Get your work. Call the reception. Call the reception, please. Please.
Well, Shinoso, this is where you'll be staying now.
Me?
Yeah.
This is my house?
Yes, your house.
Oh my God.
It's alright.
Oh my
It's alright.
Oh my God.
You like it?
Yes. Yes. Papa, so what have I done to deserve this? This is too much for me.
God's mercy is without repentance. Chinonso, you don't need to do anything to merit this mercy and grace from the Almighty. Huh? He said unto Moses in the Bible, according to the book of Romans chapter 9 verse 15 and 16, I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy, and compassion unto whom I will have compassion. Therefore, it's not he that willeth or he that runneth, it's God that showeth mercy. Praise the Lord.
I can't see you go. They know Kati Baraye Kudogogi. Oh, we fugo. Kati Baraye Kudogogi. Kati Baraye Kudogogi. Namada Burochu. 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 Kati Baraye Kudogogi. Ifanye metera oboro. Nenowa. Ifanye metera oboro. Nenowa. Ifanye metera oboro. Nenowa. Ifanye metera oboro. Nenowa.
Mama! Mama mo!
Hey, Chimo! Branoso!
Adanna!
Branoso!
Never go say none of
Hey, is this you?
It's me.
It's a lie. Somebody please wake me up from this dream. Branoso,
You
how?
are awake.
When? When did this happen? Branoso!
You are good now. Well, where is Mama and Grandma?
Grandma is somewhere. Grandma went to see her friend. Mama is... She went to the market to sell her wares.
To do what?
To sell her wares.
To say what?
Wares.
My mother is in the market selling. Can you take me there?
Of course.
Ifanye metera oboro. Ifanye metera oboro. Ifanye metera oboro. Buda wenja magaginia. Ifanye metera oboro. Magaginia.
Mama.
John,
oh my God. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you, what are you doing here? Customer. Oh, no, customer. Customer.
Mama, see. Please leave this. Let's go home.
No, let me tell you.
No.
Mama, leave it.
No, leave it, Mama, leave it. Don't worry, leave it. Let's go. Yes, we put an end to this, okay?
Mama, leave it.
Leave it. You find your number to give it. Mama, come on.
Mama, we go to orange.
Mama, come, leave orange. Mama is okay. Let her take one. Mama is okay.
Hey! Mama, not so shallow. You mean what you just told us is how it happened?
Mama, I'm still as shocked as you are. I couldn't just believe it myself. That this whole thing is happening.
This God that we worship is an awesome God. He has answered our prayers.
Hey! He's a wonderful God.
God, you know I will always praise you till I die.
He has blessed us beyond words.
Yes.
Mama, just look at. God has blessed us. Mama, look at.
How? Handsome Bobo.
Hey!
By the way, who are these young men behind you?
Oh, this one is Tio, my driver.
Oh, right.
Yes, this one, Mama. When I had a an office, I was on our days we see us. And East Banana a lot. But and this, oh my God, Mamonia is Sisi Bubu. Asisi Babu. Orachid. And okay. You see, can never laugh.
You know the coin I like Omoan.
How did he know? Nepuanya.
Actually, your medical night.
Bute coronavirus.
Oh, Sonida,
Mama, I am taking you on vacation. I'm taking you to Miami, to Florida. Mama, I'm taking you out of this country. You, Grandma, and Adana. Mama, I'll take you to my mansion. Where you're going to relax. Oh, yeah, don't get any more.
Kaya Sanka.
Mama, oh, you not to Nilo, man, or to Kalinemo, no man.
One night,
I am going to give you a fun. Mama, say it.
Fun.
Thank you. Even a soprano at school.
Oh, give it up.
I'm a cool fun. Mama, you enjoy yourself.
And
don't worry. Go. Madam fun will be good. You want more than that. Fun. That reminds me. What of Papa? Have you seen him in a while?
No. He was here the other day. He came to beg.
And what did you say?
Well, as is what? Look at this boy. Was he not the one that chased both of us out of his compound?
Mama, were you not the one that told me that that is not ordinary?
I just said it so that you would not be upset. That was why I said it.
Mama, we need to see him now. Yes, no. He needs us.
I'm not going with you. It's not possible.
Hey, Berechi, listen to your son. He's wise.
Very wise, I know. Part of the wisdom now is that in that free of
Mama, we need to see him. Meanwhile, before then.
I'm not going anywhere.
Before then,
my son, please forgive me. I'm sorry for the way I treated you and your mother. Actually, I'm ashamed. I mean, the way I treated you, I'm ashamed.
Papa, I agree that you treated us so bad. Yes, but that's in the past now. Yes. You see, who am I not to forgive you? And I'm not supposed to bear any grudge in mind for you. So, my heart is free for you. I bear no grudge in mind.
My son, thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate
You're welcome, Papa.
Yeah. My wife, the mother of my only son, my childhood sweetheart, please forgive me.
Mama.
What is it?
Anyway, Papa, what of Ulago?
Ula what? Please don't mention that name again. That name is forbidden in this compound. She's a witch.
Papa, it's not done like that. No, you failed this one. You failed it. Papa, if we are able to forgive you, then you should be able to forgive another. Okay?
But she was the reason I treated you the way I did.
Papa, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What matters is forgiveness. God in heaven forgives us our sin. So we should be able to forgive our fellow human beings. Okay?
Anyway, anything for my son.
Well, thank you for that.
Thank
you very much. Mama.
Jennifer, leave me alone now.
Mama.
My wife, Biko, forgive me, please.
Nemo. Oyoyo sawam. Hi, Nagoya. You get it. Oh, Moria. Mama, please now, come on. Agua digi moya. Mama, come on. Huh? Hey, Mama. Go warrior. Mama. The kind of man you phone.
I told him phone, the phone.
Mama. Come on. Go warrior. Everybody there,
Come on, face your phone.
Thank you, let's go.
Omena ge udem